Welcome to the channel where you better understand supply chain management and planning. One-piece flow, also known as continuous flow, is a principle in supply chain management and production that focuses on moving a single unit or product through each step of the process, from start to finish. Doing so without waiting for a batch of products to be completed. This approach contrasts with batch processing, where multiple units are processed together at each stage, leading to waiting times and inventory buildup between steps. The goal of one-piece flow is to minimize waste, reduce lead times, and improve efficiency by ensuring that each item flows smoothly through the production process with minimal interruptions. For example, in a car manufacturing plant using one-piece flow, a single car might be assembled by moving it through various stations where parts are added, rather than assembling multiple cars in batches at each station. As soon as one part is installed, the car moves to the next station, allowing the assembly process to continue without delay. This approach reduces the time a car spends in the factory, decreases work-in-progress inventory, and helps to quickly identify and address any defects or issues that arise in the process, leading to improved overall quality and efficiency.